यस, HSSC के जो अभी एग्ज़ाम चल रहे हैं उसमें लीगल मैटर आ रहा है, उसके रिगार्डिंग एक लीगल मैटर की डिक्टेशन है। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैड सेट अप अ कमेटी to go into the problem of errors in high courts and to suggest remedial measures. Stop. The committee, while submitting its report, has expressed its strong view that tribunals and heads of departments exercising quasi-judicial functions should make speaking orders. That is, they should indicate in their orders the grounds on which the orders are made. Stop. It has been considered that if speaking orders are passed, it might facilitate quicker disposal of cases, and the need for making speaking orders in matters affecting rights of the parties has been repeatedly pointed out by the Supreme Court and the High Courts in a number of cases. Stop. In fact, it is now being regarded as a principle of natural justice that such orders should contain reasons. Stop. Keeping in view the above suggestion of the High Court's Arrears Committee, the state government once again, in view the above suggestion of the High Court's Arrears Committee, the state government once again reiterate the instructions contained in their letter number 1362 of 2019 dated the 19th April 1971 and strongly emphasizes that various authorities exercising quasi-judicial functions under any rules or acts should make speaking orders in all matters affecting rights of the parties. Stop. It should be appreciated that this matter is of great importance. Of any failure in this regard, an authority exercising quasi-judicial functions may result in reversal of the decisions in the courts of law, resulting in financial liability and also administrative difficulty for the state government. Stop. It is therefore requested that these stop over.